Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe and doing good. So, students, today I am going to discuss chapter 1 exercises with you. Though half of the exercises we have already discussed, I have already discussed in Zoom class, but once again, I am just going to explain you from the checkpoint number 1. So, you can see and you can match your answers. First one is checkpoint number 1, fill up. So, dash is the living matter of cell. Answer is protoplasm. Cell organelles are made up of organic molecule. Third one is in unicellular organism. Unicellular will come here. In unicellular organism, all life activities are carried out with a single cell. We all know this thing. Fourth one is in an organ system, many organs will come. Many organs work together to perform one major life functions. So this is checkpoint number 1. Checkpoint number 2, the tissue that brings about the increase in the height of the plant is meristematic tissue. Second one, the tissue formed of elongated parenchymatous cells is collenchyma. Third one, the only living cells in xylem tissue is xylem parenchyma. Fourth one is tissue in which sieve tubes are found, so phloem tissue. So it is already written. You can see spellings from the book also. Now checkpoint number 3, here we have to give only true or false. We have to write true or false. So first one, there are no cellular spaces in epithelial tissue, it is true. Second one, connective tissue are protective in function. Second statement is false because it helps in the binding and supporting different tissues and organs, internal organs. Adipose tissue store fats in the adipose cells, so it is true. The ligaments connect two bones at the joint, it is also true. Bones are elastic tissue, so it is false. Bones are non-elastic tissue. So you just write it. Now test yourself, which is given on the page number 21. Fill in the blanks. Each level of organization is complex, complex, complex. Then the lower one. Second one is energy transfer takes place in an ecosystem through food chain. Spelling you all know. Third one is dash tissue forms covering of our body. Answer will be epithelial tissue, EPITHELIAL. Fourth one is cork cells are dead, 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 and are found in the old or woody dicot stem. In Zoom class also I told you that you can write either old dicot stem or woody. But woody if you will write, then it will be good. I have written both, old and woody, so you can write as it is also. Xylem and phloem form vascular tissue or conducting tissue in plants. Axons of several neurons are bundled together to form neuron. So NEURON, neuron. Now then we have B part. Give one word for the following. So group of different tissue is organ. It is called organ. Second one is fluid part of blood is plasma. Plasma is a liquid part of the blood. A waterproof layer is the protect cuticle, CUTICLE. Okay, so you can write CUTICLE. Now thread like branches that arise from a cytosine body or cell body, it is called dendrites. The system in which living and non-living environment interact with each other, it is ecosystem. And the living cells of xylem tissue is xylem parenchyma. So xylem parenchyma spelling is PARENCHYMA. So xylem parenchyma. Okay, it is not clear here. PARENCHYMA. So you can write from the you can write from that book also. Then differences I have written, I have mentioned here page number, you do by yourself. The fourth one, this connective tissue and muscular tissue, as it is very lengthy in the book, in the chapter, so few important points of fourth one I will send you. So this fourth one I will send you. Okay, now then next one is D part. D part is we have to tell the name of the tissue that perform all the 6 functions. First one is transport food from leaves to different parts. It is phloem tissue. Okay, and the phloem tissue, we can say it is a connective tissue also. So but you give the specific tissue name, so the answer will be phloem. Okay, then next second one is formed of actively dividing cells and helps in plant height and growth. So this is meristematic tissue. Is formed of, third one is form of dead fiber like cells as bundle. So it is sclerenchyma. SCLERENCHYMA. So this is sclerenchyma. So this is, you can note down from the, it is not clear here, but you can write because we have discussed so many times. Fourth one is supports human body. So its answer will be skeleton. Skeleton tissue supports the body. Fifth one is binds different tissue and organs. So answer will be connective tissue. Connective tissue. CONNECTIVE. Then forms the wall of a heart, that is a muscular tissue. So answer number 6 is the muscular, MUSCULAR, muscular tissue. Now the E part of this, please do in the homework, E part by yourself. Okay, so or we will discuss in the Zoom class. Okay, try to do, like first one is they are asking the function of epidermis. So epidermis is a protective layer of the leaf and all. So it cover all the plant body. So you can say it is the outer covering, it protects the plant part of plant body or leaves, whatever. Xylem vessel transport the transport the water and nutrients. So please try to do by yourself. All right, so if you find any difficulty, then you can ask me and we will discuss in the Zoom class. So E part is your homework, as I said. Now then F part is the question answer that I will send to you, children. Now G part, G is the, you can see here, G is the true false. So the cork is the first one is, cork is the protective tissue. So cork is a protective tissue. So you can write here, cork is the protective tissue. Cork is a protective tissue. Sponges is the cellular level. So sponge will come cellular level. Sponges cellular level. Then myofibrils will come contractility. So third one is F. So here I am writing C. Contractility is the myofiber. So you can match it also. Third one is myofibers. Then root tip is apical meristem. So the root tip is the apical meristem. Apical meristem. Tissue will be the division of level A. Tissue will be the division of level A, and cell formation will be the bone marrow B, and cell formation will be the bone marrow B. Okay, so I am writing the sequence here. First one be division of level, I am writing here. Okay, so the division of level will be 5, 6, 1, 2, 4 and 3. This is the sequence. Of the match the following. Division of level will be 5, bone marrow is 6, protective tissue is 1, cellular level is 2, apical meristem is 4 and contractility is the 3. So you can write. Now permanent tissue is the formed of meristematic tissue. So first one is the true. So first one is the true. So I am telling you the first one is the first one of the H part. Okay, so first H part, first one will be the true one. Then the second one, body of amoeba is made up of single cell. So second one will be true. Second one will be also true. Then the third one, cardiac muscles are voluntary muscles. Third one is the false. So in place of voluntary, you can see here, in place of the voluntary here, involuntary, write down in, involuntary, add inward. So involuntary muscles. Okay, it is a false. Then next one is, fourth one is skin is connected with the body surface by adipose tissues. Fourth one is also false. So in place of adipose tissue, write down areolar. Okay, in place of this tissue, write down the areolar. 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 Okay, and the fifth one is the skin is connected with the body surface by adipose tissue. So fifth one is false. So in place of adipose tissue, cut the adipose and write down areolar, this one. Okay, now next one is 6 is the true. So I am writing here 5 is 4 1 is the false, 5 1 is the false, and 6 I am writing here. 6 1 is also a 6 1 is the true. 6 1 is the true. And the seventh one, phloem is a long tubular cell that transport water. Seventh one is the false. In place of phloem, what will come? In place of phloem, xylem will come. Z-L-E-M. Xylem will come. Xylem will come. Now identify the tissue that forms following structure. Identify the tissue. I part I am just telling you. Identify the tissue that forms the following structure. So in this first, you can see, in this first one is epidermis of leaf. So epidermis of leaf will be protective tissue. Epidermis of leaf will be protective tissue. Write down protective tissue. It is a protective permanent tissue. Second is vascular bundle. Vascular bundle will be conducting tissue. Vascular bundle will be conducting tissue. Conducting, T-I-N-G. Conducting tissue. Store fat will be adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. Bone will be skeleton tissue. Bone will be skeleton tissue. Ligament will be fibrous connective tissue. Ligament will be fibrous. F-I-B-R-O-U-S. F-I-B-R-O-U-S. Write down fibrous connective tissue. Brain will be nervous tissue. Brain will be nervous tissue. Heart will be muscular tissue. Heart will be muscular tissue. Now J part is encircle the odd one out and give reasons of your choice. So first one I have already underlined. You can see cartilage. Cartilage is odd one out because other three are the parts of the blood. Other three are the parts of the blood. So you will write or you can say cartilage is the part of the skeleton tissue, component of the skeleton tissue. Second one is parenchyma, epidermis, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Epidermis is the outer covering, you can say. It is the outermost layer of the plant body, or others you can write parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. They are the parts of the supporting permanent tissue. Other three are the parts of the supporting, conducting, supporting permanent tissue. They helps in the they are the part of the supporting permanent tissue. So you can write the reason, because they are asking reason also. Then they are asking cytone, about the cytone. Then they are asking about the cytone. So here you can see nerve fiber. Nerve fiber is the odd one out, because other three are the part of the neuron. Other three are the part of the neuron. So you can write neuron. Blood, matrix, plasma, platelets. So you can see here matrix is the odd one out, because other three are the component of the blood. So first and the fourth one is same. Other three are the component of the blood. Now cor cambium spelling is written wrong here, written wrong. Cambium will come, not combium. So xylem, phloem. So phloem is the odd one out, because other three are the parts of the xylem component. Now MCQ part, in multicellular organisms cells are associated to form tissue. We all know cells associated or make up, and they combine together and they form tissues. The nucleus is absent in squamous epithelial cells. You can see the tick. Meristematic tissues have cells that divide continuously. So the answer I have already marked here in this. Vascular bundles of plants are formed of xylem and phloem tissue. Xylem and phloem together form a vascular bundle. Blood is a connective tissue. The body organization of euglena is the cellular level. It is unicellular. Now diagram based labeling you can do by yourself, but I have already done here. You can see also cell body, then dendrites, then dendron, and then axon. So they are asking in the next one, they are asking the few questions related to the diagram. What is the picture? What picture it is? So it is a picture of neuron or nerve cell. Give the function of A and C. So for this we have to see what is A and what is C. So you can see the cell body A and C or dendron. So cell body is a part, or it contains the nucleus. So it is stored the DNA. And what is the function of this cell cytone? It receives the impulses, okay, or it gives impulses to the axon, and then only the impulses pass further to the adjacent neuron. So it is just passing the impulses from one neuron to the another neuron. The same way dendrites, what is the function of dendron? So dendron is also, it is attached to the cell body. So the ends, because it is attached to the cell body, it is a it is the fine it will further divide into branch like structure, this dendrite. So these dendrites, so dendron, what is the function of dendron? So it receives the impulses from dendrites, because dendrites are attached to the dendron, and pass into the cell body, and cell body further gives to the or pass that signal to the axon. So cell body take impulses that is received by the dendron. Dendrites are there, then dendron is there, then cell body is there, then axon is there, and axon ending is there. So like this. So they are both have the same function to pass the impulses, but you have to mention that from which part to the which part, okay, from which part to the neurons and all. So which tissue does this make? So the answer is the nervous tissue. Where these cells are located? In the brain, in the spinal cord. Draw and label diagram. So please, xylem and phloem tissue diagram and neuron diagram also you make in this. This is the homework of the week. Now this is a crossword. It is also very interesting and very easy. First one is down. We are going to do first down. That I have not solved here, but I am just saying, just you can write by yourself. Conducts impulses. Conduct impulses is nerve. N-E-R-V-E, nerve. N-E-R-V-E, nerve. Tissues that connects two bones at a joint is ligament. So I am just, ligament will come. L-I-G-A-M-E-N-T, ligament. Tissue that connects muscle with the bone, that is called tendon. T-E-N-D-O-N. T-E-N-D-O-N. Tendon. Plant tissue that support that transport the food, that is phloem. P-H-L P-H-L-O-E-M. P-H-L-O-E-M. Phloem. Then across one. Now first one is elastic skeleton connective tissue. Answer will be cartilage. C-A-R-T-I-L-A-G-E. Cartilage. Then next cartilage. So write down the correct spelling. Tissue that helps in the movement of the bone will be muscle. M-U-S-C-L-E. M-U-S-C-L-E. Non-elastic hard tissue. Non-elastic hard tissue will be toe. Non-elastic. So the non-elastic hard tissue, seventh one you can see here, it will come bone. Okay, so we have already solved in the earlier slide that bone is the non-elastic. True, false we have done. B-O-N-E, bone. Now the last one, plant tissue that conducts water and minerals, is xylem. X-Y-L-E-M. Xylem. X-Y-L-E-M. So you should solve it. It is very easy and interesting. So children, question answers I will send you, and whatever the homework I have given you in the E part and this drawing part and this give reasons and this functions also, just do by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless you all.